What is mitosis?
Mitosis is the process cells use to divide and produce two identical daughter cells. It's how your body grows, repairs injuries, and replaces old or damaged cells. Unlike reproductive cell division, mitosis keeps your genetic information consistent from cell to cell. Without mitosis, your body couldn't develop or heal. Let's explore how this precise process unfolds step by step.
Preparing for division interphase.
Before mitosis begins, a cell goes through interphase. During this phase, the cell grows, performs its normal functions, and makes copies of its DNA. The DNA is still in a loose form called chromatin. Interphase ensures that when the cell divides, each new cell will receive a complete set of genetic instructions.
Step 1. Prophase.
Mitosis officially starts with prophase. The chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes, and each chromosome is now made of two identical halves called sister chromatids. The nuclear envelope begins to break down, and special structures called spindle fibers start to form. These fibers will guide the chromosomes throughout cell division.
Aligning chromosomes metaphase.
Next is metaphase. The chromosomes line up neatly across the center of the cell, known as the metaphase plate. The spindle fibers from opposite ends of the cell attach to each chromatid at a region called the centromere. This precise alignment is essential to ensure each new cell gets the correct genetic material.
Splitting apart. Anaphase.
During anaphase, the spindle fibers pull the sister chromatids apart, moving them to opposite ends of the cell. Each chromatid is now considered its own chromosome. This separation ensures that each new cell will have an identical set of chromosomes, maintaining genetic consistency throughout your body.
Rebuilding and splitting. Telophase and cytokinesis.
In telophase, new nuclear envelopes form around the separated chromosomes at each pole, and the chromosomes begin to uncoil. The cell is almost ready to split. Cytokinesis follows, dividing the cell's contents and creating two genetically identical daughter cells. The cycle can now start again whenever new cells are needed.
Why mitosis matters.
Mitosis keeps your body functioning and healthy. It allows for growth from a single cell, repairs tissues after injury, and replaces aging cells. Errors in mitosis can lead to health problems, but when it works smoothly, it's the foundation for life's continuity. Understanding mitosis helps explain how organisms develop and maintain themselves every day.